हे गाइस, आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग ग्रेट। मेरा नाम है तरुण शर्मा। इस चैनल पे मैं बात करता हूँ स्किन केयर के बारे में और स्टाइल के बारे में। अगर आपको इन दोनों चीज़ों में है इंटरेस्ट देन कंसिडर सब्सक्राइबिंग। आज की वीडियो में आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट माय करंट 2021 फ्रेग्रेंस कलेक्शन। यहाँ पे मेरे पास जो होंगी 5 फ्रेग्रेंसेज होगी जो करंट मेरी फेवरेट हैं और करंट मेरे वार्डरोब में हैं। आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट कि क्यों ये फ्रेग्रेंसेज मैंने बाय की हुई हैं एंड क्या ये आपको पर्सनली बाय करनी चाहिए। सो बिना किसी देरी के लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द वीडियो। I'm going to start with my cheapest fragrance and I think जो हर किसी को buy करनी चाहिए and this is Jaguar Pace. This fragrance is aquatic, fresh and peppery. बहुत ज़्यादा ये long lasting है considering the price. Although it retails for 3600 but आपको आराम से discount पे ये 1800 में मिल जाएगी। कभी भी आपने 1800 या maximum 2000 से ज़्यादा इसको buy नहीं करना है because this is always going to be sale on Nykaa or on Myntra. Even a few days ago this was on for 1600 on Myntra and this fragrance is going to be amazing in your collection. Girls are going to love it because I have received many a times compliments from this fragrance and this fragrance lasts for a very long time. Usually क्या होता है जो cheap fragrances होती हैं usually under 2000 उनकी long lasting उनकी जो projection होती है या फिर longevity होती है उतनी ज़्यादा नहीं होती. But on the other hand this particular fragrance Jaguar Pace has really good longevity and it also has really good projection. So people around you are going to smell you and you're definitely going to get compliments. I like to wear this fragrance when I am at home. I don't like to wear this fragrance when I have to go somewhere to the party for a couple of reasons, but mainly for the fact that I already have a fragrance for party. But this fragrance will work fine for everyday basis. If you work in an office or if you go to school, this fragrance is going to be amazing and you're going to love it and you're going to get a lot of compliments. Then at number 2, I have Yves Saint Laurent YEDP. This is my most expensive fragrance and I love this for the reason that it has a really unique note of sage. It smells really amazing because sage जो है बहुत ज़्यादा कम fragrances में होता है. It smells something like that you would want to eat. It's fresh, it's fruity and it is perfect for summer days. And considering the fact that it is an eau de parfum version of Y, it lasts for a very long time. I'm telling you, if I wear this fragrance in the morning, then throughout the day I'm going to smell amazing and even घर आने के बाद भी this fragrance is on my skin and बहुत ज़्यादा long lasting है. And recently I got a compliment from a girl who said that I smell really amazing. I was wearing this particular fragrance and I think this is a perfect, but some girls are not going to prefer this because this can come out a bit strong, especially in the days of summer. Although this is a perfect fragrance for summer, I personally feel like that it is going to work throughout all season. It has EDP concentration जो बहुत ज़्यादा long lasting है and considering the fact that बहुत ज़्यादा fresh और juicy है, it is going to appeal to a lot of people, but many people are also going to dislike this fragrance, so you have to keep this in mind. So before buying this fragrance, I will highly recommend go to the store because it is not going to come cheap. Although I got this for 4500 6000 की ये fragrance actual में है. I will highly recommend fragrance एक बार store पे जाके make sure that you smell this fragrance and then decide before buying this fragrance because unlike other fragrance which is just for 1800, this is really expensive. ये दो फ्रेग्रेंसेस की जिनकी मैंने बात की ये मेरी समर रिलेटेड फ्रेग्रेंसेस हैं एंड जैगुआर पेस आई लाइक टू वेयर थ्रू आउट द डे एवरी सिंगल डे आई लाइक टू वेयर दैट टू कीप माई सेल्फ फ्रेश एंड देन YSL YEDP आई लाइक टू कीप दैट फॉर स्पेशल ओकेजन बिकॉज इट इज अ बिट एक्सपेंसिव एंड आई डोंट वांट टू स्पेंड मनी ऑन दिस फ्रेग्रेंस अगेन सो डेफिनेटली आई लाइक टू कीप दैट for special occasions. Now moving on to for fall season or summer nights, this one I have Azzaro Wanted by Night. First of all, I really like the bottle. As you can see, bottle की जो shape है यहाँ पे एक revolver की तरह बनी हुई है as these are some bullets. It looks amazing in person. Although when I bought this fragrance, I thought कि bottle जो होगी वो थोड़ी सी heavy होगी, but this bottle is not that heavy. But I know that there is a limited edition of this particular bottle जो थोड़ी सी heavy है, but this one also looks amazing. What I like about this fragrance is that it has cinnamon and it is fruity as well as spicy. YSL EDP जो fruity है, this one on the other hand is spicy and warm, so definitely amazing for fall and winters and even in summers you can wear at night जब थोड़ी सी जो है ठंड होनी इंडिया में स्टार्ट हो जाती है. For example, I would say in the month of August, last August में जाके ये September में this fragrance will work great for you at night, not in the daytime. Daytime में ये बहुत ज़्यादा heavy सी हो जाती है एंड लॉन्ग लास्टिंग डेफिनेटली ये फ्रेग्रेंसेज है एंड आई वुड हाईली रिकमेंड टू वेयर दिस फ्रेग्रेंस एट नाइट और ड्यूरिंग fall time and winter time. This smells really spicy and it smells really warm. Definitely it smells really juicy, really spicy. This fragrance for 100 ml go for 6750, but you can easily find this fragrance again for 40 to 50% discount. So never buy this fragrance for full MRP. You're going to easily find this for 4000, and if you find for 4000, then definitely I think you should buy this fragrance. At number 4, I have another fragrance which has a really cool bottle. This is CH Men Privé from Carolina Herrera. And this looks amazing in person. If you see this, you're going to love this bottle. It looks like a flask, so really masculine, and it has a note of alcohol in it, but not in a bad sense. It is boozy, spicy and warm. In summer season, never wear this fragrance. You're going to induce a really bad headache, but in winter season, in colder months, this is going to be so inviting, especially when it lingers around the air. जब हवा में होती है ना ये आपकी फ्रेग्रेंस, जब एक ट्रेल सा छोड़ के जाती है, you are going to smell intoxicating and people are going to give you incredible compliments. This fragrance reminds me of definitely a time during Christmas, because when everybody is wearing really warm clothes and everybody wants to get cozy, that time I think this fragrance is going to really give you amazing compliments. CH Men Privé by Carolina Herrera, and this fragrance retails for around 6100, but I got it for, I guess, on 20% discount. I don't remember the exact amount that I paid for it. I bought this last year and I am very happy that I bought it. It is going to last you for a very long time, and this is an eau de toilette version, and I think it does not have a really good performance like YSL, YEDP or like Azzaro Wanted by Night, but still I think for 6 to 7 hours this is going to last, and it has a nice projection. And for this particular fragrance I will highly recommend again going to the store. This is not a blind buy, because unlike Jaguar Pace जो आप बिना सोचे समझे खरीद सकते हो, Azzaro Wanted by Night again fragrance जो आप बिना सोचे समझे खरीद सकते हो, but YSL, YEDP and Carolina Herrera CH Men Privé, I think these two fragrances can be a bit polarizing. So definitely आपको स्टोर में पहले जाना चाहिए एंड टेस्ट करनी चाहिए कि आपको ये फ्रेग्रेंस पसंद है कि नहीं है. मुझे पर्सनली ये फ्रेग्रेंस बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी लगती है इन कोल्ड डेज, एंड आई विल हाईली रिकमेंड दिस पर्टिकुलर फ्रेग्रेंस. एंड फाइनली आई हैव अनदर ग्रेट फ्रेग्रेंस फॉर विंटर सीजन. दिस इज Ralph Lauren Polo Red Extreme. ये मेरे पास बॉटल जो है ये 75 ml की है. ये अराउंड आई थिंक 4200 समथिंग की जो है रिटेल में होती है, एंड आई गॉट दिस ऑन अमेजिंग डिस्काउंट फॉर जस्ट 2000 rupees 2 years ago. Now it is about to go finished, and I absolutely love this fragrance for the reason that it smells very edible. It will make you want to eat this fragrance, if this makes sense, and girls are going to love this. I have worn this fragrance onto my workplaces and I've got amazing compliments from other people, and it has a really great projection. I mean, incredible projection for 1 to 2 hours. People are going to literally smell you from a very long distance, and it lasts you for a very long time. It is an EDP version. It smells very dark, and I don't know why to many people it may not smell like chocolate, but for me it smells like a delicious chocolate, and not in a bad sense, not like X deodorant. This smells really premium because this is from a premium brand like Ralph Lauren. So I will highly recommend to check this one, and I think this is a blind buy, because everybody that has smelled so far this fragrance, I have never gotten a single bad compliment. Everybody has loved this fragrance. I will recommend this fragrance to buy blindly, but again if you want to give this a try, you can go to store. I think Parcos में, lifestyle के stores में आराम से इसका आपको sample मिल जाएगा, and this smells really incredible. I can't say this enough about this fragrance, but this is definitely for winter season, not for summer season, for really colder months, even not for fall, even not for September. I think this is just reserved for colder months, because this is really dark, this is really heavy, and you're going to smell incredible. So guys, ये थी मेरी fragrance collection. ऐसी और वीडियोस देखने के लिए, स्टाइल के ऊपर, स्किन केयर के ऊपर, definitely consider subscribing. I will see you next time with my next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.